So how do you put a HyperX QuadCast S on a boom arm like this? All right, this microphone just got today, so we're gonna do that. Well, it comes out of the box already in this stand, so we gotta take it out of this stand. And then once we do that, it comes with this adapter, right? First things first though, I gotta get rid of this Blue Yeti. This thing is a monster compared to this. Look at the difference in girth and weight. This thing weighs like twice as much. It's crazy. All right, so this just screws on like this. And we're done. Goodbye, Blue Yeti. Hello, HyperX. All right, so over here on the side, right here, there's a thumb screw. So we're gonna take this off. But when we do, there's gonna be washers and a nut that falls loose. So I angle down towards the desk here so you can see what I'm doing here. You see? All right. Okay, hang on to this. Okay. Put it on its side, hang on to this. And there should be some washers here too, probably. Yep, there's one right there. Only one. Oh, the other one stayed in. So see this little, there's the washer in, and here's the washer out. So we gotta put this back in. Like that. Or like that. That's better. All right, push that in, keep that in there. All right, so now what we can do is we're going to mount this like so. So we're gonna want this to go like that. Now just drop the washer on the floor. Now I need a flashlight because everything I own is black. And this washer is too. All right. So that washer's in there nice. This one. I see there's a little notch here. Keeps it in place. Right? Okay, so put this on there like so. Okay. So take the nut there, thread that through like that, and then the thumb screw goes in like yo. Let's see if I can do this so that you can see what I'm doing. There, that's it. Now, let's unplug this for a second. This is just USB-C. It comes with like a 9-foot cable. That's pretty nice. All right, so now we're gonna screw this into this mount here. These are all universal. Pretty much every microphone boom that you're ever gonna see, here, let's move the camera, is gonna have this same size mounting screw. All right, and there we go. So now we're locked in place. We can adjust that accordingly. Can do this like so. I think I kind of want it like this, right? So it's gotta be up and out of the way, so when I talk, I can lift it like this, and it'll be right here. So how about that? Now let's do this and plug it in, and let's see what it looks like, because the HyperX S, well, they all glow. The HyperX non-S, I think, is red, and the HyperX S has multi-colors. So plug that in there. There's a headphone monitor, so that's cool. All right, let's plug it in the laptop. Like I said, this cord is like 9 feet long. and we'll see what this looks like. And you'll be seeing this on my channel. Thanks for subscribing to the channel, by the way. We're up to almost 14,000 subscribers. We've got 13,900 and boom, there it is. So you'll be seeing me doing videos like this, and that's the other nice thing about this is that when you want it to pause, you tap it and then the light goes out so you know you're not recording. And then you put it back on, you know you're recording. So that's a nice visual way to see that represented. And I love the color. I like the cycle. But you can actually change this with software, and we'll do videos about that too, on how to change the color and how to change the frequency of the cycle if you want with the HyperX software. All right, if you have any questions about this HyperX QuadCast S, let me know. I just got it. I ordered this less than 24 hours ago, and it's in my hands. Got it from Amazon. Link will be in the description below. Peace. Have a great day. Take care.